You got it in you. You got it in you. I see it in you. You got it in you. As we celebrate you today, I hope you now realize that everything that you've been through was simply preparing you for what you've come to. You did it. You did it. And if you don't remember anything else, remember this. There are always going to be haters, doubters, and critics in your life. All right? But, I said, but, remember this. For every brick your haters throw, for every brick your critics throw, I want you to use them as stepping stones to build your success. It's been a pleasure looking at you all today as you grind for your greatest potential and make the impossible possible. I'm James Bird Guest. Give your goals, give your dreams, but most of all, as graduates of Kaplan College, give yourselves a round of applause. Grind for greatness. I'm done.
Absolutely. How about another round of applause for Mr. Guest? I'm ready to go back to school.